Hey guys, it's about yesterday. Can you still remember our business?
About what course? About contemporary art?
It's the part of identification. Specifically number two.
What? Number 3. About National Artist Award?
Yeah, the highest national recognition given to Filipino individuals. What's your answer there?
Oh, I answered number 3 is letter C, the National Artist Award.
National Artista Award? I think that's not right. I think it's the GAMABA, the Gawad sa Manlilihan ng Bayan.
You're wrong. According to my notes, it's National Artist Award that's given to the highest award of the artist.
Not sure? Are you sure?
I am sure.
What are you talking about? Oh, it's sir. Let's just ask you.
Sir.
Oh, hey, it's my students.
Hey sir, just right in time. I think we're having a small conflict about yesterday's exam.
True.
What is it all about?
Sir, it's all about the number 3 in identification about highest recognition award in Filipino artists.
So, this is the answer, but we need a better place to talk about it. What is your answers in item number 2?
According to my lectures and notes, it's National Artista Award.
With all due respect, sir, according to my research, GAMABA, I think, is the highest national recognition given to artists.
Clear this out. The correct answer in item number 3 is letter D, which is the National Artists, because the Gamaba is for the traditional artist. And somehow, the National Artist Award is somehow correct. But you must better check your spellings and grammars.
Thank you, sir.